try make you hear your children path. No problem. Even person when they smoke Morocco, I cannot take her serious. But I will only come here to insult her and humiliate her. Sonia, o ma sick me here be me. Ni me agbe for money tonight, be mana. O ma say, o when the Sonia o give me gwan. E Sonia ma say, the Sonia magbona. Person when born 7 children, all the whole children are bad on her. That is a failure now. She's a failure of a mother. Person when man when they Germany when marry Sonia daughter. He said no one see Sonia associate with her mother. And that's what they be today. They know they play. They know they play. Woman when he go come social media, they smoke Morocco. Like I mean, what did you expect? Ebona really tie, be not ebona. If Sonia, keke joe, or ebona. The record when that man talk when oyanya no have Nigeria. Ya vie ya gwewa kwe Sonia. I have your time. Akazaliga hin. Ovita look when no akazaliga wo white dia. Ya iwe TikTok, iwe video ma. Ima we vi pale we me ma we me even munave. Akazaliga eme wakin we ma. I get your time. I get your time ni va bofie kun leluwe. No gugbe le mojua o. Ogun ragbe le mojua o Sonia. E Sonia ogun ragbe le mojua e bastard nu bieleni ogun ra lokin ajua o. Iya ragbe ejewe no reje mi ogun ragbe lian. Ejewe no re ekeke ne jewe gi jene iya kian sungu. Sisu wewe wotie veve wiena. Ina do asawe una wukia do mwe bok biwue wa do mwe bok bejewe wa mwe bok bebo ke ko mo menu bie o we ne drug addict for Italy who show a video. Sonia, where your picking will be drug addict for Italy there? Are you not showing your child? You have one child without Oyibo. E Sonia no bie zara wa me ne vera pa wa hinia e vera ye me maso we Sonia e vera ye me maso we because e vera born 5 boys for a dioma. Vera born 5 children for a dioma. Vera no ho wa. And then Vera ye be masowe. Because we were BLS. You born children for different surname. You not get shame. Sonia, you not get shame. I just they ask you. You see how they useless you now. Megi bugwe de when I arovi or give me. Wa ho wa na that one they enter una eye. Wa gi la webo una no plan una life. Una con de fa Oyibo in one rescue na. Una con go sit down for isa Oyibo house. Oyibo na you know na you wa na ga sie. Wa gwa lo pe no gwa la loe. E black imamu wa. Ya ge set wa ya. Wa ki o make ki o sa you webo. Liability. Now una tonto. Mostly you when they when they Sonia na no sungu. No gunga gbe. Wa Pierre o zuwo. Rudi megi unwa. I just dey quiet like let me let this goat. Anytime no why we live video, iya wa show egun agbe na here ole Morocco dana. Ya ri bieka ya. If I dey waka for TikTok, I dey see young people insulting you. Everybody they curse you. Ekwe muwe. O make no here we ya mudare. Ije ne mohe. We are dog bin na no man ni avie no ovie no bia. They no dey play. You want come fight for them. But you and all your children, all una not dey play. Hypocrite, is that you? Is that you? Depression, is that you? Hello? Depression, is that you? In the head of Sonia? Depression, is that you in the head of Sonia? Where do you want to fight for person when only one of his son and not they play? But you have a lot of children. All of them know they play with you. They hate you. They despise you. Even one of them came out and tell us that your pekus they seme. And you now want to fight for a woman when you and his son no they play. You want and then no oh what bekeka oh yeah and then no okay ya be. Shame on you. Iwe ya giwa se Sonia. Iwe ya giwa se wa ho wa. Iwe tu wa ho wa ba maso no bine no maro. Iwe tu wa ho wa. Uwe gi mebe na gi uwe Sonia. Iwa hi. Iye de na biewe. Iwa ba va iwa ba son. When menitana idiewe abuma ho bebe iwa we la dia do tagi say 80 years in uwe we joke no. So keke no wa di gwetu eme. because I respected not Dioma. Ogun ogwe frustrated a day. Wow, why we bo magwede we got you wa. We bo magwede we like Nigeria no wario do. What in Nigeria now? I put clothes. This one I drag put for Belen. Now you take the top. Yeah, we have all what does she? At the husband house, they know they ask married woman. Either you get Belen, they know they ask her. Married woman, married, both Nigeria and court for abroad. They know they ask them either you get Belen. If you see single person, when they work out, they go, single mother, when you know when they don't they drag, don't they struggle to take care of 3 children. You see her for road, they carry another Belen again. You ask her, say, my sister, are you pregnant? You get Belen. Now those one that they ask. A married woman, legalized married woman, living with husband, you they see her crow. They know they ask them that they get Belen. Either they get Belen, they know they ask them. You get her? I just correct you, should the case you don't know. Sonia no su. Sonia no su. Ole Morocco lawa. Sonia lawa. Agwo mogun ebogbe. Agwo mogun ebogbe. Why can we wo say? What okay, look at voice sunu. Oh, what do you bet in that? Akuma. Abi I Bauma. Eta won don na wekia. Abi when you think say I be like Vera when Jamba don comot cassava for ipekus. My whole day here. I'm sorry, me say no verse. I just they talk to you, no be quarrel. I no verse. I'm just talking. We Sonia, Nokia Sonia have a Nokia Sonia yi. Sonia no su wu. No what a blue. Ole Morocco. They no be Sonia be viroa. Me wala wa ko silo. The Sonia be no even kina. Sonia, one useless old woman when pikin come and come say itoto desme. You don't know that one. You don't know her. Sonia, when they carry blue head, you go put blue for head all over. They know we gangster. Wow, worry me how you were very irresponsible human idiots. They do son, they don't me. They do sa. I go you they look her. You know why I know they look the woman? Why I really don't like her. But in as much I don't like her, but she's free to do her thing. It's her thing. But she's not my thing. You understand? She not be who I like because she not get the criteria. Like she's just too kind of arrogant for me. They no work with trouser. Or the other na. Wow, go. Well, it was again like I don't like some. I like families. I like women where they appear like woman. I don't like women where they try to behave like man. I don't like them. If you see me, I'm a woman. I love when I behave like a woman. But when a Sonia if she's even 15 years, 13, 18, of a man, now she be now una de see am. Where. I don't know if I'm wrong, let me know, but that's what I despise about her though. She like, I you wanna because baby just on me come like a lesbian gay now. So yeah, when many women or behave like man, I just immediately just you know. And then you have a few way or pull your pull for nose. I just they look a very irresponsible this thing. You are very right. And the German sometimes if I they pass now. Why old woman like that have grandchildren a few way? Okay. Or is there who never can or you or my camera mama no mwelele or we can go down here yeke. What's the look at have a flat on me will see bo? What's the look at have a flat on me do we not be a monarchy we don't me we me webo. Me go we there. Then the Macbele we mu ye fridge mama not ye where I cannot tell show be. If you just fight with a married woman when get children, you got defend the bully them with it. See, you get be where get go where get be where. When no see Morocco, I say Morocco no we cafe. Você não quer nem cacar. Você não quer nem cacar. Dove boy o dedo we honest achu we gele age. Aho amo gbe we boba. We ke uno ero, 2 ero, 3 ero. Even wata we ke kakugbe, uvie kugbe ya de cafe de kia. We mi go ya rieva agbo we na rieva. Me we rieva agbo te. I never see you post better food online apart from Morocco. I no see a Morocco money tonight, you no eat. No be lie. Oh. I don't know why you TikTok cover your message. Person when smoke Morocco since morning, he no eat, so he no go dry before. Messi, na ya be me Messi cigade for this my mouth. Na make I feel they tell my children. When no see Morocco wagbale Morocco o we no me no bien ebo. Nere ero wa no just catch ki vitali la waba. Oni ga me gbaligbo we gbaligbo. Very useless mother, very irresponsible woman. When all your children when she born, all of them they run for her. If you measure a blue, that useless woman when they call Sonia, if you measure her name for where her children, they do twe. Her children they disconnect themselves with that woman. Iya gwalo. Iya we nuga attaching ya bayo. Nuga attach iya kwe. Is daddy back?
Yeah.
Is daddy back?
Yeah. No.
Go and check if he's back.
I was there. Daddy gets back.
Do you understand?
Mommy?
Don't worry, go and check if he's back. Go and check if Kai is there. Sonia, your children they run come up for your body. They don't want to associate themselves with you. Ask why? Because you are useless. Because you are a useless mother. That's why your children they run for you. Now that will be the pain when they your body. If you wake up in the morning, you go enter social media, you want to contribute for everything when they work out for social media. Must you? That's how you lost your respect. That your platform, even ulokono razekano, even yana less away, yana they don't leave you. They come. Okay, don't worry, guys. Go and sit down. That is here. Go and sit down. You understand me? Sonia no who you know you say Sonia go they cry for that side. He said make I release you. He said you need to go somewhere, go meet so person. Oh, you need to go. You need to come out. Oh, hey, video rema. Ona me arobi biye. Ahweno ye kotota. Ye kotota man. Ye iri ugbeju ohun. Oda family knock babae. Mega iri okbaju akoko gbe ma ivaki agbagbuwe. So Sonia. Eno we ati mama blow me ole Morocco. Uga isi Morocco no mi go yari eba udwa de no funewe a bomb mass you old rich you put your reef for nose you they behave like gangster. You behave like gangster. How you want to advise your children? How you want to advise your children? No man mo on you. I tire for this a day. I did say has today when I see say the day they call me for there. And the day say na that kind fake marriage when they marry Oyibo because of document I will there for you. And the day don't know say na real marriage we there for you on you. Or the family. And the day don't know. And the day Gwalekia no wo. Sonia gba meri wo when they are Sonia. Oyibo tongue don't fire. Because what did they make una say to Oyibo? Na tongue. Una mia wa aye we need niani. Aye need there. You are bola wegbe. She no get joy. She don't like a lovely family is not Sonia thing at all. Anything lovely family is Sonia gwalo. Na wa mweria na wa mwe ededeveri oni. U diji. Iwe tu diji. You need to worry how. Hey, oh, what depresses you? Wabage de dana. And you say you go. Is a saga where saga me ya nevera. Where it is saga de vera. Evera when we make a contract. Me I watch evera ya gear. You don't know me oh. Many of you just look at me. You don't know me. Mostly this my beautiful home ni me wame now. I have the best marriage in the world. The best in the world. Yari agbari ave mi ogbo bi ave rona. I'll still date this kind of marriage. And I will not to my daughter. This kind of marriage, marriage I have a husband. Very clean husband. Responsible husband. You think that me and I they marry for documents. We didn't marry ourselves for documents. We marry for real. Or say the man kiss for real. We watch a video. Me and my husband, if they look like this, they charm me. Now that one are the jealous who I end up with webo. I mean they don't me. I mean they need Italy do bashawo. Inya ga bashawo ne. Inya bene party ne. Instead of them to leave Ashawo road, now go as serious with your life. Don't go they look for Papa Jiro. No do amuya or yin Jiro wove or filo bojiya he. Inya the way can I born for you? Can I pack in with you? They'll go sit down for Ibo house. Ibo go still happy. Not go they pay cleaner again. Una start to they clean Ibo house. Ibo carry una go court. Go komu. Go pull ring for una hand. Say una marry. Are you wa we house girl? Wowa. Ibo come for work. Una go clean house. You want drink cafe? Go still give you €2. You want buy Ibo? Give you €7. Now so that they live una life. Waka kiyo more sa. Then when I come see beautiful family outside. Una come they cry. I wish. When I did their age, I wish I'd be able to plan my life well. I wish when I did their age, I feel plan well. What my plan is say, if I bola we be Sonia no gbu no gbewo mo gbe we go. No gbewe mi ya na ya nyagbo. Wow, look at this idiot when grandchildren are abandoned. Regiya pa bowe boki go wa. Resetu wa ni ho wa ni si sigasi Morocco. Imagine me. Look at my children now. Their papa want advice. They go sit down. Go tell say, son, 15 years now you want complete. So, I the total advice say, oh ye be ya example. Menoro, my daughter, teenager was saying I'm 13. Ye be advice say, what can you advise your children with? That's why they are wayward. Children they are not move with what they hear. They move with what they see. With example, that's why you go see your Igbo pikin go they smoke. You go say 15 years you are smoking. You go say my mom smoke, my dad smoke. So what you go talk again? Nothing, you're quiet. So it's just doing more. Then I'm more. Have they done me? Have they shower? Now when they take traffic, una come this abroad. After una do a shower finish, you should have go out there and go to school. Have they deliver Italy? They have 3 more certificates in Aya school. In fact, Italy has tomorrow magba. Till tomorrow not complete. If they not call their Igbo make correct, they not see fit speak and lazy youth idiots. You witch, una be witch so una plan una life the way we plan her. Una be witch so. Sonia. Now my own day. Yeah, we tito shop be when kiss all that for me. He will lovey team. That's all I do. He makburu no sugbo me. E Sonia carry herself go to do Ozeba for Igbo house. Sonia don't fall out of love. Sonia need man when you go de popori. E di mama gemula dia ya we video. When I come bring my own come out now, Sonia when he say I ain't no bueno no ma not feel a mokwa. Who what that for me I feel a mokwa when we feel a mokwa. Are you not seeing the result of throwing children away? The result of not being there for your children. Many of you now, these useless women for Italy, all this a day. If you was one me first period, whatever, wa mareva wa go ma me pad. Ama mi wa assent to wa assent to the core. But you wa no be aso ame do develop spam even na megbe odo ahu o la no yezi no ki odo ame we pe video aro do ame egbe change mi ya change egbe. You were not there to see any of that. You will not do what be kwa. So you people are not mothers. Why if you say ukia gume guna ya rovio orivive ne boni meke na gbu ne boni gbu egbeje we Sonia. E Sonia no we ati mama blue ole Morocco. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed. The beauty of a grandmother is when a grandmother have a relationship with grandchildren. That is the beauty. Also wanak your mom when access to na grandchildren, camera wana degi yaba boela wegbe. Eriya vision yamana posting on your life. Why me grandchildren re failures? Yeah, she insult her children. Don't let that one bother you. That one not, you know they bother us. You insult my children, you know they bother me. Don't bother. My children are just too smart for your nonsense. They are not in your category. If we make you where you hang you where you are not be able to tag bona, they can't try it. And the whole women no work man no safe. You can't try. All your grandchildren iki best side lele ya. Ave mona na no pronounce I see no my thing. They can't even compare with my last born. Not to talk of any of my children. Abia cannot war Sonia. You see my daughter no data. My daughter live Italy. When we go we make the Spanish. Of your mom 13 years old Bana. Okba Italy when she was just 2. I will bring more videos for you. Even Italy no we make the wezo. We no marry bono ya gwebo bozeba yo webo wezo. Me no make Italy make correct no correct one rewind yeze. But she was 2 when she left. That should tell you that I don't raise door children. That should tell you. That's why I tell men and women, make sure you have love with your partner. You both love each other. So you can bring your children up with love and they will be smart and intelligent. You think say easy. Some people go even born children for the same Italy. Now only Italy they speak. They'll say no speak another language and make their brain make them not confused for brain. But my own can speak how many together. They still remain who they are. That should tell you the level of smartness. You are mad. Mamu wagba zoo. Umeme. Where the two me? Iwe two me ya. O we me no ye 2 years ikpa Italy re. Giadori ya wugwe mujado ekenona Italy do we azoeba. Italy o meme nu weze. Italy nu home po. We je square. Where like where download the denu TA. You will be reading. You will be translating. You learn it like that. Have you? No. Wagbeo. And then no one be able no who are ne best side no be able with Jamie Italy no zoo na mu just pito ya rejection and ye Morocco coco. Una go don frustrate finish. Una carry una frustration cause they give another people when sit down their own. Wait till na be wish. Wait till you be wish. Oh go agbo e boni nu tie ni hu we keke hu worry. Wo agbe o so ne wa ku he kekere. Iwe tu aku he keke Sonia. Uhe weki ya keke gwebe no weka he. Igbe mejo he. O wewe tu he keke wetu wia. O wetu he wia. Wa gbe o ba bo afie kun lelu e. Wa sungu. Very useless woman. The woman they dance, you know they happy. You know the man I got happy. Yeah, me family. Then when I zua, then if I bona lawe bugwa le no create content. Who not happy no get family. Iya kama we ya ni de settlement ya no more do settle ya. Don't force him any settle ya. I talk am before and I dey talk am again. If you wait say na me go settle who? I can never settle nobody. Yari ebere. I no go settle nobody. Ya megbe. When the ya settle ya. When ya settle with you where? Sonia, go and settle with your children. Go settle. How you go just get many children? All of them, una know they play. Sonia, your grandchildren, they forbid your house. E Sonia no basha woga imwegbe no gwalebo no huwe no rigo ne no nte Morocco. Asha wo kobo. Wa asungu. Unwe vera atogbo. Unwe be togbe vera. Uhu wa evaki atogbegbe. Avo bielevio kwa. Wa agbe. Unye uje imi. The Vera Rovie, the morning and night. You were there watching. Were you not there? The Vera Rovie me. If they tell you say Vera call me, Vera me they advise Vera before you go believe. I leave her. If I talk to Vera, Vera no answer me. Vera know what she do. What she do. She know how long she insult me and I keep her quiet. If I can't talk for the matter, you say I'm not qualified to talk. You qualified to talk. When of ye who he we are messing we are a platform when we when we are get dot on the yakbe. I don't know whether they block on a comment too. Oh, who are very useless woman. Shameless idiot. I they call for you. I they call for you. Me my husband call her now. May I go do something small. My husband call her now. Okay, Irene. Oh yeah. And they give it the line. If a boy, useless woman, mama blue, useless as shewo, shameless woman. See all your grandchildren for Germany. They don't grow finish. They don't grow finish. Your picking or they let the grandchildren go look your profile. Because now Dova I'm gonna see Morocco money tonight at your age. You go just smoke Morocco money tonight. You no get what you they do. If you smoke finish, we are more bolo here. We carry no yeme banana. Who are cool you he? Umo humuzu you he? Ashia one way we are. Your pikin say your toto de sime. Go and do something about your toto. Uke do agume go because he wa. He wa. Yage monu raise. Yage rubbish no raise. You wait there abroad. Your children follow Libya enter house. La what? La what Sonia? Uzuwa. Ije merewe bo flight yala webo. I bought from Murtala Mohammed Airport. In Atorewe, Sweden. From Sweden, eya like Italy. When orewebo no marebo, when are you who legbe Libya? Arabona ka filoboji ya he filoboji ya nisan. Iya ke la webo e mo me no bie. Useless children when you born in Libya they follow come. When you there abroad, why you go cook a blaboy? A blaboy he work me sane. Una ya frustrated your webo. Then you want to put that frustration on me? Are you crazy? Are you okay? Are you okay, Sonia? It's a pro. They come for you. I go drop this video. Attend to my children. They are coming for you. They don't make any Italy. Wazaga. Yage life waya. Wagwale bono muwajowa. Go see black people for Italy. They collect passport na water. Go see them. They work hard for it. Italy have a law. When you work and you pay tax and you stay resident for 10 years in one place and you work, you don't due to get passport. Or who was they find quick action. All of you are wrong. After na don't do a shower finish, we bend the pants in there. We na rule. It's we might integrate nothing. Sonia go they speak Italy go be like we are foul for the Zazan this thing. E Sonia goes Italy. Ovi men no 2 years ni memu Italy read adie Jamie. 12 years oje na o Italy we na ze. O ze sewe. Wa ho. You are boala we gbe. Uwi ho ave nuje. I spend my quality time with my children. E monagba oge we oyan wa mi ya we buya agun. Abi you see umio money umieni of obi me via la dia media go and zoom their video. Where me obi men ororo unu de. Where me any what you were feeling me amo we saga. Where me obi many one no all yokpa where me any wawa. Umio everiwa. Umeme. Uzuo. Wagbe okayakbu he wenine. I am coming back for you. Let me attend to my children. I will come back for you. And you will all we are stop to buy people case for no reason. You will stop it because of me. But what stop eh? Yeah, me you go game na no na measure. Wagbe they don't me. A frustration can igboa. What we soon we streety. Yeah, when they no me ya gwene no magbina. But even soon walare why frustration? Is that not a sign of frustration? Depression? Yeah? This thing need to stop. Una go stay Oyibo house. You don't love this man. You people have nothing going on with you guys. You will just be there, frustrated, depressed, and you will be looking for people on social media, a comfortable people to fight. This nonsense you guys are doing need to stop. Go and create happiness for yourself. If you miss out for money, maybe if you come life again that year, who correct but don't use that your rubbish lifestyle to disturb me. Now birthday I do yesterday. I wake up this morning to come see you say you don't saga me this morning. For what now, Sonia? Hey, I want just quick run something for my children. May I come back? Time don't go. Time don't go. I will be coming back. Thank you guys very much. I am coming back here now. My husband no day. If not, my husband for attend to the children for stay more. But since he no day, let me do the things fast, and I will come back again. We are coming back. I promise you. My dead dog be Sonia. They are go look for the video when Pikite to say Toto de Sime. We'll come bring the one where he son-in-law for Germany. They thought say the woman is a useless woman. Okay, me as a get attend to him. See, say, "Ro wa no attend to him." I see you guys later.